very warm good morning my dear students. Hope you all are doing great at home and enjoying your online classes. Today I am here with the lesson comparison, which is lesson number 12. So we will know about the comparison of adjective. So let's start. Comparison of adjective. Just look at these sentences and notice Rohan is short, Mohan is shorter than Rohan, Sohan is the shortest. Okay, these are the three sentences. Notice them carefully, and now let's take a look to the first sentence. Rohan is short. Here in the above sentence, the adjective short is said to be in the positive degree. It is the simplest form of an adjective which is used when no comparison is made. Okay, the next sentence is Mohan is shorter than Rohan. In the above sentence, the adjective shorter is said to be in the comparative degree. It is used when two persons or objects are compared with each other by using ER form of an adjective or word more before some adjectives. Here you can see we have compared two persons, Mohan and Rohan. That's why we have used comparative degree of adjective, which is shorter. The next one is Sohan is the shortest. Here in the above sentence, the adjective shortest is said to be in the superlative degree. It is used when there is a comparison among three or more things by using the EST form of an adjective or word most before some adjectives. Here in this sentence you can see we have compared three persons, Rohan, Mohan and Sohan is the shortest. This means shortest is the superlative degree of adjective. Okay, now let's take a look to the table of positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree of adjective. The first word is tall. Tall is a positive degree, which means it is an adjective. The comparative degree of tall is taller. Here we have put ER. That means it is a comparative degree. And the next one is tallest, which is superlative degree. Comparison among more than 3 persons, 2 persons, and comparative degree is used when comparison between 2 persons. And positive degree, in positive degree there is no comparison. The next one is cheap. The comparative degree is cheaper and the superlative degree is cheapest. The next one is old, older, oldest. Beautiful. Here you can see we have put more before the adjective, which is more beautiful. This is the comparative degree. And next, most beautiful for superlative degree. We have write most before the adjective. The next one is honest, more honest, most honest. Good, better, best, bad, worse, worst. Okay, I think you all are clear with this. Now let's take a look to the exercise. The first one is fill in the blanks with correct option. Here in this question, what you have to do, you have to choose the correct option to fill the blanks. The first one is the mango is the dash fruit. Here you can see two options are given, sweet and sweetest. Sweet is the positive degree and sweetest is the superlative degree. And in this sentence you can see the is given, and you know that the is used with the specific one, so we will use the superlative degree, and the answer is the mango is the sweetest fruit. The next one is mangoes are dashed than apples. Here two options are given, sweet and sweeter, but in this sentence you can see we have compared two fruits, so for that we will use comparative degree, and the comparative degree is sweeter, and the answer is Mangoes are sweeter than apples. The next one is honestly is the dash policy. And the options are better and best. Here you can see again there is given, so we will use which degree of adjective? Yes, superlative. So the answer is honesty is the best policy. The next one is Sam is a dash boy and the options are smart or smarter. Here you can see two adjectives are given, which is positive and smarter is a comparative degree. So in this sentence we are talking about Sam only, so we will use positive degree here. So the answer is Sam is a smart boy. The next one is gold is a dash metal and the two options are given, costly or costlier. Here you can see we are talking about gold only, so there is no comparison, so we will use positive degree of adjective, which is costly, and the answer is gold is a costly metal. The next one is gold is dash then silver and the options are costly or costlier. Here you can see we are comparing two metals, gold and silver, so we will use which degree of adjective? Yes, the comparative degree, and the answer is gold is costlier than silver. The next one is Priyanka is dash then Deepika and the options are beautiful or more beautiful. Here you can see we are comparing two girls, so we will use which degree of adjective? Yes, comparative degree of adjective. Yes, the comparative degree of adjective. So the answer will be Priyanka is more beautiful than Deepika. Let's move to the next question, which is fill in the blanks with the correct degree of the given adjectives. Here what you have to do, you have to fill the blanks with the correct degree of the adjectives which is given. The first question is Gagan is a dash boy and the adjective is given talkative. Here you can see we are talking about Gagan only, so we will use the positive degree and the answer will be Gagan is a talkative boy. The next one is Aryan is dash then Salman and the adjective is given handsome, and you can see in the sentence we are comparing two boys, so we will use comparative degree of handsome, which will be more handsome, and the answer is Aryan is more handsome than Salman. The next one is this car is in the dash condition and the adjective is given bad. You can see we are talking about the car only, so we will use positive degree of adjective and the answer will be this car is in the bad condition. The next one is Mount Everest is the dash peak in the world and the adjective given high. You can see here we have used the, and you know that these always used with the specific one, so here we will use the superlative degree of adjective and the answer will be Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. The next one is my bag is dash then yours and the adjective is given heavy, so here you can see we are comparing two bags, so we will use comparative degree of heavy, which is heavier, and the answer is my bag is heavier than yours. This is it for today. I hope you all have enjoyed the session. In our next video we will continue with the next lesson, so till then stay safe at home and enjoy your online classes. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.